YouTube and a special hello for the Lego fans. Zabedak is here again. This time I want to show you two things. My Volkswagen T2 pickup and my version of a Bob's Kabob's food stand. At first, let's start with the Volkswagen T2 pickup, which is based on the VW T2 bus from the Lego friend set 3185, which is shown at the left side. But I transformed it to my own ideas. The bumper at the front has further emerged for a more recognizable style. I added round side mirrors, placed tail lights, and behind the cabin is a kind of wood floor installed. Of course, I will show you all the sides separately. The added round side mirrors, the VW logo, the added taillights, and a door, and the kind of wood-like floor behind the cab. And you can see the little difference between the bus and the pickup. The front bumper is a little bit more emerged at the pickup. The inside of the cabin is nothing special. And now my version of the Bob's Kabob's food stand. I got the idea by watching a video of TF Bricks, who made also one. So thanks TF Bricks for the great idea. A link to his video is placed in the description. As always, I will not just make a copy, but added my own ideas to the food stand. So you have may noticed at the start, it's a pull behind trailer. And let's go further with the important side. There are signs with trimmed down stickers from a Lego the movie set. A sunshade, which is made a little narrower than a trailer slash food stand, and you can see the kebabs for the customers. At the back, a sticker of tasty meat, tail lights, and a black bumper. At the other side, a window for more interior light, and it also can open, and a red line or stripe to make the food stand a little bit more colorful. And at last, at the front, a support is placed for stability and a good horizontal look. At the roof, the Bob's Kabob sign and a meat model. Let's go further with the inside. I will take Bob out. This minifigure was also in the Lego the movie set. There is a sink, ketchup and mustard, a little salad, kebabs for the customers, a knife to cut the meat, and a bin for the waste, right there in the corner. And you can see the drinks. In my opinion, it's a great little build, and it's one of my favorites. Well, I'm curious what you think of my versions of the VW pickup and the Bob's Kebabs food stand. So, let me know, that's appreciated. Interested in more? Watch my other videos or subscribe. And for the good observers, have you seen the Zabedax special? Thanks for watching. See you the next time. Bye.